Gold is currently trading at 4,300, and I think it's going to drop another 25% or so back to $3,300, and I think that's going to happen probably this year. So real quick, this is the 3-day chart on gold, the 50 simple moving average, and you can see this entire parabolic bull run has basically been above the 50 SMA. We've got a little fake out here, but basically the entire run is above it. We wick below it, and now it looks like we're breaking down below it. And as you can see here very clearly also, we're below this descending trend line. So very simple, just looking at this chart, I would say unless we get back above this level, which is above the SMA and above the previous high, then we can consider upside. Until then, we're probably looking at a bigger sell-off acceleration, especially probably leveraged longs and stuff that will get wiped out, that have been buying towards the top and believing we're going much higher. I do think after that we can probably end up going higher again, but it's always the same story. You get these parabolic moves and then everyone's like, yeah, it's going way higher, and then the opposite happens. Everyone was lining up retail, buying bullion at the top, thinking it's going forever higher, and all those people got trapped here very nicely, I think, at the highs. Now, if we go and we head over to Central Command, our trading terminal, let's take a look at what gold is really showing here, especially on the higher time frame. So you can see with our one-click overlay, so the smart overlay, this is what I typically use here, the EMA ribbon with the range deviation. That shows you exactly, like you can see here, blue EMA ribbon flip, that was a long over here at around 3,000, and then it was getting overheated here, this 52 to 5,500. We're back below the ribbon here, and this just looks like it wants potentially the bottom of the range, which I also showed you here. By the way, this terminal is completely free, and the details are down in the description below. One-click overlays, and the cool thing is you can connect your Blofin exchange account to this, so you can use these overlays on pretty much anything. It's not specific to crypto. For example, you can trade gold, which is XAUT over here, and you can trade whatever you want, but this video specifically is for gold, and I want to show you how these overlays work here too. So I do think we're going a bunch lower based both on these overlays. There's a few other ones that I like to use too, so I haven't actually looked at them. Let's look at the rainbow deviation, which I like here, with the Mayer multiple here also. And maybe we change it to the 1 day, because the XAUT doesn't have like crazy amounts of data, but you can see over here it extended beyond the mean here. So this was basically an anomaly, bounced off the mid-range, and now we're going below. So the target here is probably these lows, 3,600. I think we can overshoot a little bit. So yeah, I would say I would probably feel comfortable in saying probably about 3,300 would be the target on a decent correction. So I just wanted to put this out there. Let's see how this ages over the coming, let's say 6 months, 3 to 6 months. Let's see how we do here. This is on the daily also. You can see it called it very nicely, and so far no blue, right? So when we start to get around about over here, we should start to see it being blue then, which would also be confirmation of potentially bottoming process. I do think, and you can also see here, same kind of trend line over here. Boom, I think we see an acceleration down here into this. So that is what I wanted to share in this video. Let's see how that ends up working out. Again, the Central Command terminal is completely free. Details in the description down below. You can connect your Blofin exchange account, and you can actually short it with your exchange account. I think it's pretty cool. You can just you can connect via API. So again, your funds are 100% safe. We don't touch your funds or anything like that. You're fully in control. You're trading on your own Blofin account through the API keys, which you can connect or disconnect at any point in time. And then you can just trade directly on the terminal, and you'll also have all this access to all these one-click overlays. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. Do you think gold's going to drop more or not? And I will see you in the next video.